Yeah, I need a wedge, please. I'll wedge it off. We'll be good. Oh yeah, there or the rigging box, one of the two. Hang on a second. I think I have an idea. Okay, heads up. I'm just gonna push it. You know, I have my saw landed in it, so it should be okay. Like that. This saw's good. That landed it.
Right on.
We're good, dude. Thank you.
Good job.
Just keep that out because we might need it.
Yeah.
Hand me my saw. Woo! Them boys, huh?
Them boys.
Working hard and
Them
sitting.
boys.
Working hard when they need to and taking it easy when they can. All right. Oh, I suppose before I go swinging around and making a face cut, I need to get all my crap out of that tree, huh? Yeah. So I guess my question is, how's a dude supposed to make a decent face cut but not be up in this tree? So I'm gonna have to be like this. Okay, I think I know how I can do it. All right. You know what I mean? So I think I'm gonna do this. I think I have an idea. Ah, that was a poor throw. Holy cow! Ah.
I got it.
Thank you. Of course. So much. God, so there we go. Like that. While I'm here, won't hurt. I'll just put a tiny little face cut in here, face notch, you know? Aim it right that way, and then I'll get down and figure it out from there.
Alright.
So, alright, I'm gonna put a little face cut. Blade shot somehow. Blade went bad. Hopefully I could hammer that hammer that you had. We'll pop this thing out hopefully. There you go. Face cut complete. This thing's aiming right this way. All goes well. It's gonna smash that way and be beautiful. All right. Oh, dang it, my stupid saw. That's how you bend the bar. All right. Come take my saw over there. So I'm probably gonna put a new chain on it because somehow it went dull. It wasn't cutting at all. Like it was bad dull. Let me get all my gear up. Well, I shouldn't get my gear up, but I gotta pull this out. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm tired is what I know. Tired is not good today. Oh yeah. How high is my face cut? Yeah, I'm gonna have to. All right. Oh, it got me, Captain.
Which
What?
box is it?
It should be in that box. It's weird. The
See that tip of that?
Oh yeah, what I hit?
I don't know.
But oh, this one's jacked up. This
Yeah.
Oh man. All right. Yeah, I should just say 20 on it. That's it. Yep, right there, brand new one.
Okay.
Smack it in. Man. Yeah, I don't know what it hit. And it could have been too when the bar got pinched and it fell. You know.
Right.
Who knows?